Okay, what is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another massive, powerful, super episode right here on this channel. So in this video, we are going to look at how the static method actually works in Python. So at static method decorator creates methods that don't bind to either the class or its instances. So unlike instance methods which receive self or class method which receive CLS, static methods don't automatically receive any special first parameter. So static methods are ideal for utility functions related to a class that don't need to access class or instance attribute, helping maintain code organization without unnecessary object references. So today we are going to look at an example of using the static method. So this is a basic implementation of a code that you can run in VS Code to test out your knowledge on this. So pause this video to examine yourself how you can be able to work with a static method in VS Code. Pause this part and then continue. So this is also the real world use case where you can use the class file processor, where you work with our static method and then you define an isValid format into bracket file name, which is a method, okay, which is under the class file processor, but then it's as a static method. You understand? This will run as a static method when you are working it further in the code. That's it for this example. So do want to try it out yourself in VS Code and let us know how it went in the comments section.